my flabbers were gasted because I was like, what do you mean I can get stabbed at 10 p.m. on the streets of Delhi?
It's better for like men, no, in Delhi. I've heard.
What is
Like to just like be out and like live life.
better for men?
It's
in the
safer
sense
for
that
men,
the
like-
patriarchy is stronger
No. That's not what I mean. The streets are safer.
for men.
Yeah.
I feel like the streets are less safe for everyone.
Yeah, because
True. It's unsafe here also.
know-
Violent men don't usually pick a direction. It's just like
Violence.
men getting more violent makes it worse for women disproportionately.
So there was this time where I had gone to Delhi for a work trip, and we were staying at this hotel which was on the highway.
Okay.
Okay, and my colleagues and I, we decided like after dinner we would just go for a walk, like on that
Yeah.
area only, like not that far, like a 10-minute walk around. Okay, and we were walking and we entered like a lonely sort of road.
Okay.
And and one of them lived in Delhi before they moved to Bombay, so their hometown is in Delhi.
Right.
So they were like, yeah, I mean, the roads are pretty unsafe in the night, regardless of you being a girl or a guy. It's like unsafe. But this area was relatively safer.
Right.
We saw a cop van approaching us, and we were like, okay, it's just a cop van. Like, in Bombay, if you see a cop van, they don't really tell you anything. They don't warn you about anything. But this he stopped and he was like it was 9 o'clock. It wasn't even that 9 or like 10. And
Were you
according
in
to
Delhi,
Bombay-
Delhi, or were you in like one
Delhi,
of the
Delhi.
outside places?
Delhi.
Okay.
And like according to Bombay standards, that is pretty early still. 9-10 is really early.
Yeah.
But they were like, don't walk here alone because y'all could get stabbed.
Whoa.
Fuck.
And my flabbers were gasted because I was like, what do you mean I can get stabbed at 10 p.m. on the streets of Delhi? I ran back.
This is the capital.
I love
This is the
I love how the time was the issue. Like, what do you mean at 10 p.m.?
It's only 10 p.m. It's not
Excuse
even
me.
time
It
yet.
is well known that between 10 and 11 are no stab hours.
I'm in Delhi. Okay, I expected this from Delhi, but it was 10 o'clock. What do you mean at 10 p.m.? I think we were in our shorts and all. Like, we were like,
You were in your shop. That's dumb on you.
sorry.
No,
my
victim
bad.
blaming. No, I don't support.
Zia, what the fuck?
Sorry.
Please wear what shorts you want.
Whatever you want.
Yeah. And then the guy who was originally from Delhi was like, "Arey bro, chill, yaar. Like, we are here. We'll protect you." And I'm like, "I don't think you can protect me. You will also get stabbed, and then I will get stabbed."
Which I've also, this is kind of funny to me, is like a weird resentment that women would have of men to be like, I kind of want / need I want your protection, but I hate that I need it.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
every
yeah.
time, like even if you meet a guy that's like, Hanani het heek, but he's like, I'll walk you home, and you're like, but why do you have to? Like,
Yeah.
I feel like just
Yeah.
like like a moment's worth of like, Arey, but kyun? Like,
Yeah. And then my second thought is like, but what if I need to come drop you too then?
Back and forth.
Hi guys, अगर तुम लोग को ये clip अच्छी लगी है, then you can watch this entire video on VR Besharam's channel. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel as well as that channel. And we'll see you in the comments. Bye.